Hello, this is a tutorial video for how to work around the portfolio. Our theme actually supports there are 5 kind of portfolio types, and first one is the grid, and masonry, and metro, and parallax, and also promo. And those portfolios, all of those portfolios are listed on our backend portfolio custom type. If you go through this and you click the portfolios, and then this is the all of those portfolios come from. If you want to add the new portfolio, and then there has a portfolio tile is here, and also you can use the Visual Composer on this content area. And also the important thing is that in portfolio single settings, and this is going to control how to display the portfolio single layouts, and also the portfolio featured image types. You could have choose the gallery slider and just displaying the gallery 1 column and 2 column, and it's all of those useful options are right here. Okay, and also you could have is a client name, client URI, and also the read more link. It's and all of those. So it's really useful options, and this option you could have extend the portfolio single content with our content block element. And if you are not familiar with content block element, and then you should go to in content block section, and this is a different topic, and we have covered the video tutorial about this content block custom post type, and you should watch this content block tutorial video on our documentation and also our YouTube channels. And also, if you have chosen the metro and parallax portfolio settings, and then this option will gonna help. This is a metro layout section is here. If you have chosen the small and in this metro layout, then you could have this post is gonna display the small, and small means like this other metro layouts are here, and the small means and this one, and it's gonna be displayed like this. And also the second one is vertical and the horizontal and the large. And if you have chosen the full, and no matter you have inserted on the metro layout, and then this full layout gonna be displayed on the top of the area and the full width container, like this thumbnail. And also you could have changed the parallax settings and the parallax overlay with the colors. And if you want to check how to work this parallax section, and we have used the UE kit parallax, and you should check the UE kit documentation, and this documentation is located right here, and all of those options and the animated properties are right here. You could have rotate, scale, and changing the color, background color. It's lots of options are here. You could have just copied this section and paste it on this section. This is so simple, and it's a really pretty useful. And each options have separated by comma, like this. Okay, that's it. That's the default. And also, okay, I will show you the one layout example grid 3 columns. This is a grid column. Okay, if you noticed here, and there has a grid portfolio has 2 different tabs. First one is under the image, and the second one is inside the image. And if you enter the inside the image, and only the differences and the content is actually inside this image, and first one is under the image. That's the difference. Okay, now if you want to edit this layout, you should edit this page, and I will show you. Well, you should click, if you see something like this, you should click the backend editor, and this will enable your Visual Composer. And this is our portfolio element. You should click the edit button, and then there is a portfolio categories are right here. This is our main portfolio, and branding, photography, print, web designs are the subcategories, and this one is account options. The layout type is the grid, and also the content type is the under the image, and also you can display the subtitles, and also the enable and disable the under the categories. It's if you want to disable this image cropping picture, and then you could have check this options, and also you can change the grid gather, because this has a default 40 pixels, and this one is also grid means for all. This has a pretty useful and pretty customizable options are here. You could have also filters, gonna multi filter and the simple normal filter, and you could have also disabled this filter. There's so many options, pagination nets. Also you could have changed the background color, and also the important option is the animation. And in default, and this is just a default Visual Composer animation, and we have integrated the UI kit animation because this is so great, and this has actually used the UI kit scroll spy. If you check the UI kit documentation, and this is a UI kit documentation, and this is gonna work so smooth and quite nice. And the target is of course it's a target, and which div or which class do you want to animate, and the second one is the animation and with the delay options, and that's it. And also the extra custom class, custom ID. It's okay, that's it. If you have changed to the metro or masonry layouts, and then you must be insert the portfolios on this custom post type section. Okay, that's it.